video, I'll show you how to upload decals to Roblox for free. First, open your browser and go to the Roblox Creator Dashboard. You can find it by searching for Roblox Creator Dashboard in Google or going directly to create.roblox.com. Once you are on the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and make sure you are on the Creations tab. From there, click on Development Items. Then, select Decals from the horizontal menu at the top. Now click on the Upload Asset button. A window will pop up asking you to choose your file. Select the image you want to upload. Roblox supports JPG, PNG, TGA, and BMP file formats, so make sure your image is in one of those formats. After selecting your file, add a name for your decal and an optional description. Once everything is filled in, click Upload. Your decal will be submitted and reviewed by Roblox. Once it is approved, it will be available for you to use in your own experiences. Uploading decals is completely free, so you do not need to spend any Robux. That is how you do it.